promise that one day I'll be around. I'll keep you safe, I'll keep you sound. Right now it's pretty crazy, and I don't know how to stop but slow it down. Hey, I know there are some things we need to talk about, and I can't stay. Just let me hold you for a little longer now. Take a piece of my heart and make it all your own, so when we are apart, you'll never be alone. You'll never be alone.